How to add social sharing buttons to blog posts in Squarespace. To do that, head over to your blog and click on the This Edit option near to Edit the tab. Now, from in there, you can scroll down and then just locate the part that you want to add that particular social sharing. Now, from in there, you can see in here this options. So, for example, let's head over and add in here a section that we want. So, let's click on this Add section. And then for this one, let's just add a blank section. Now, once the section has been added, click onto this Add Block option. And then just choose in here and search in here for social. And you can see in here the social links. So once you have clicked on that, the social links will be added. So if you want to edit those social links, you can click onto this pencil icon from there. And you can head over right here. We have the actual Facebook and Instagram. If you want to add a Twitter or a threads, just click on this add social link. For example, let's put in here youtube.com/Squarespace. And then once you have head over and then as you can see, this will actually be automatically added. And we have now added right here the YouTube. You can click on right here on the design in order to change the design for that. You can make this larger if you would want to as well. So that's how you add social sharing buttons to blog posts in Squarespace. Hope we helped.